Welcome back to this fabulous channel. Welcome back to the City of Sin. If you are new to the channel or stopping in for your first time, my name is Ryan. I will be your host for all of these epic adventures, but today we are here at the Venetian. We are going to do a quick walking tour through the Venetian. So some cool facts. This place opened May the 3rd of 1999. It's themed after Venice, Italy, and it has 4,049 rooms with 3,068 of them being suites, and it's got a 120,000 square foot casino floor. So over on my left, this is the Cafe Pan Bakery and Coffee here at the food court in the Venetian, and straight ahead is Eats Italian, followed by Tacos and Rita's, but Tacos and Rita's is actually closed right now. But after Tacos and Rita's, this is San Gierno's Burgers. So if you want to check it out, they have burgers, fries, milkshakes, and ice cold beer that they have there. And then followed by that is Banano's Pizzeria. So New York pizza at Banano's is really, really good. I've had it at MGM. It is super piping hot when it comes out of the oven, so just be careful about that. First time seeing one of these. This is a pharma box. You can get anything from a face mask covering to all sorts of essentials if you need. So they have anything from like aspirin to basically anything you could ever think. Lip balm, everything's in there. But if we go down left here, this will take us to the check-in, or where you would go for the lobby here at the Venetian. It's absolutely a grand entrance, to say the least. The architecture in here is awesome. I love this curved ceiling, and also the artwork that's on the ceiling as well, with the nice statuine figures, or it appears that they're actually standing out. It's all kind of 3D like. It's really cool. You have to see this in person, so if you come here, you'll definitely have to check it out. But this is pretty much the grand walkway here. Over on the left-hand side, that's where you will be checking in at if you are staying here at the Venetian. Straight ahead over to the right, they do have one of the thermal imaging cameras to check basically your temperature digitally when you come through the front doors here at the Venetian, which is really cool. This dome is absolutely awesome. In the center, it's actually open, so it lets in natural light, which is really cool when it hits kind of that gold statue figurine right there in the center. Those actual mermaids on the gold statue, behind the breast actually moves up, and there's actually a picture that's inside of there. Now, you're not supposed to touch that, and they will not allow you to touch it, but this is what I've heard from my buddy Armando, who actually works here at the Venetian. So that's cool. If you want to check out Armando, be sure to do so. It's Armando with 2 O's on YouTube. He does a bunch of scenery and different dynamic shots here in Las Vegas. He does some awesome work. So if you guys recall the love sign from the Palazzo, Armando did a cool little segment on that, which was absolutely sweet. So if you want to check that out, be sure to check out his channel. He's got some stuff going on. There are some shops here on the entranceway that are open. Some of them are closed, so just be conscious of that when you're coming here to the Venetian to see if your shops that you want to visit are open and closed. But I'll actually take you up this way. This is going to take us towards the guest suites. This will kind of take us over by the pool. The Grand Canal shops are up this way. If you're driving here to the Venetian or the Palazzo, this will take you to where the self-parking garage is as well. And then this will also take you to where there's Uber and Lyft pickups. So if you want to check that out, it's right by the food court. So if you're lost, just kind of ask where the food court is, and that will kind of direct you in that way. So we will continue our walking tour here on the casino floor. We're going to check out some of this stuff that the Venetian has to offer. You're going to check out some of the table games, what the minimums are, and things like that. But we'll continue to make our way left. This will kind of take us over to the Palazzo Theater, and the casino cashier. The Grand Lux Cafe is absolutely open, and they look to be very busy, which is always a good sign. of good foods and good bites to eat. So if you want to check that out, that's where that is. I'll kind of walk by these table games here, give you an idea of what I'm seeing. Right now I'm seeing 15, 25, 15, 15, 25. Yeah, pretty much 15 and 25 is all I'm seeing here. I'm seeing some craps, some roulette, blackjack, ultimate hold'em, 3-card poker, tons of things here at the Venetian. Over on my right is the cashier cage, so if you need to cash in your chips or anything like that, you can do that right over there. I completely forgot that this security desk was here, so we're going to make our way straight. This will actually take you down Restaurant Row is what they call this place. So we're going to make our way down Restaurant Row and make our way over to the Palazzo. So on the left is the Yardbird table and bar. Cool place to check out if you guys want to. They have the entrance right over here on my left-hand side for that, where they'll get you checked in for that. Straight ahead and kind of over to my right, this is the Sugarcane Bar and Grill as well. So if you want to check that out, they are open as well. You can see the stickers for the social distancing placed on the bottom of the tiles, and you can stand there to keep yourself safe. They have an awesome little photo op wall over here on the left with a cool chandelier, and again that cloud theme that you see from the Forum shops in Caesars. This will also take you to the Venetian and Palazzo box office, but I just wanted to say a huge thank you to all my Patreon supporters. A huge thank you to all of you for taking your time to watch these videos. Be sure to share these with your friends and family. Like this video, subscribe if you have not already done so. But my name is Ryan, here with you on this awesome walking tour. Until next time, my friends.